Hi everyone, and welcome back to video 3 of 4 as I video record the day after my second COVID shot. Oh my god. So bear with me, I might stumble over words, my hair is a hot mess, I didn't put on any makeup. I wanted to get these videos out as fast as possible. I'm a little behind, but I'm sure you're okay with that. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what your side effects were if you got the shot or why you're on the fence. I don't know. I don't even know. But yeah, so I went and got my second shot and went back to work yesterday, and I did fine at work. Today I woke up and my arm hurts on the side that I got it, but like not so bad as the first one. I'm kind of groggy. I'm sure I'm tripping over words, but we're gonna get through a couple of unboxings so that you guys can see what I got in this month's box. And in this one, we are going to do the Boxy Base Box. Boxycharm is a $25 a month subscription, and every 3 months you can upgrade it to a Lux, which I think is my next month. And it's $50. So we're going to pop into this and we'll see what we got. So right off the bat, I am seeing that this month's theme is Flourish, and I will hold it up and let you see. There you go. And we are going to see what items I got. So on the back of this card tells you everything you got and the prices. I will set that aside. And the first item that I'm seeing is by Lavish, and it looks like it is a 5-piece eye brush set. Funky colors. Okay, so this says Essential Eye Collection contains 5 handcrafted vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks. Retail for $30. I don't know about that, but I do know I do like getting the brushes in these boxes because I'm listening for the brushes. Pardon me. The next item I got is by Mellow, and it says it's a liquid lipstick, and I got mine in the color Saint Tropez. You're not probably going to be able to see that. I tried to block me out, but it's really hard. So that says, get ready to spice up your lips. The ultra glossy, non-sticky formula has a unique smooth feel and can be worn alone or over any lipstick. With the added goodness of vitamin E and avocado oil, the Saint Tropez shade is the perfect mauve and is cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. This retails for $18. Let's pop it out and see. Trying, folks. I'm trying. So that is what it looks like, and as always, it probably has like one of those little dabbers, and it looks like it's like mainly a brown. I'm gonna swatch it. And there you go. That was an eyeliner for another video. Sorry. So that is that. The next item I got in here is Hottie, and it says it is a heat protecting mist to use it before ironing. It's by Dry Bar. I've never tried this. A lightweight spray protects dry hair from heat, styling and curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 450 Fahrenheit and 232 Celsius. And it retails for $27. For use on dry hair. Shake well. Lift sections of hair. I'm not going to take my hair down like I said. But it's got a nice smell. So that is that item. The next item that I got is by Murad, and it is the Environmental Shield Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Now, I like Murad. It says detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electric devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. And it says, hold on a minute. It says it retails for $74. This is what it looks like. And it does have this thing on it that like pumps out a little bit of moisturizer. And this will move up so that you can use everything in it. That's kind of neat. I'm not going to pump it out. Like I said, it's $74. I think that's outrageous. And the last item I got was by Cab Cosmetics, and it's an eyeshadow palette. It says, this palette has a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night, all in one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime looks and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more intense nighttime look. This retails for $54, and it does have like pretty colors. It looks maybe mauvey and neutral, but I like that. Let's check out its formula. I'm going to do Twinkle Twinkle, Moon Dust, and Midnight, because that's an array of colors. Midnight is here. Moon Dust is here. And then the last one I picked was Twinkle Twinkle, and it's more of a pinky purple. So, I mean, the pigment's fine. I don't know if I'd spend $54, but that's the palette that I got. So, if this looks interesting to you, just make sure you check out the descriptions. I tag everything. I have links for everything that I unbox. I put out videos as often as I can, and I'm just sorry that I just don't feel like 100% today, but that is what I got in my boxy. So I will, without further ado, let you guys go for the day. Like I said, I don't want to keep you when I don't feel like 100%, so it's going to be kind of short videos today. I do apologize. Just understand, like, this is a lot for me. I work a very physically and mentally exhausting job, so this shot took a lot out of my energy, but I did want to get these up. So I do appreciate your faces. I heart your faces. Make sure you light up that comment section. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye.